Gesipa FireFox. This latest generation versatile hydro-pneumatic blind rivet nut setting tool allows fast, safe and precise setting processes. With all FireFox series tools, the setting process is considerably shortened by automatic drill-on and drill-off procedures. Extremely fast setting processes of 0.3 seconds thus guarantee very fast work cycles. The FireFox 1F and FireFox 2F are controlled by flexible traction force adjustment. With the FireFox 2, the experienced expert has the choice between traction force adjustment or setting stroke adjustment. We recommend using the more flexible and safer traction force adjustment. The video, FireFox, How to Adjust Traction Force and Setting Stroke, provides a lot of practical hints and tips. The following hints and tips apply to all FireFox tools. Here they are given at the example of the FireFox 2F. All FireFox series tools are immediately ready for use. Nose piece and threaded mandrel are already in the right position. Your new FireFox comes with proper tools, hydraulic oil and oil refill can, detailed operating instructions, and 2 color-coding templates for precise adjustment of the traction force. Please do not add any additional oil. This can seriously damage your high-quality FireFox. To drill on the blind rivet nut, position it on the threaded mandrel without tilting it. Now press the blind rivet nut tightly on the threaded mandrel towards the blind rivet tool. The drill-on process will automatically start. Please do not press the trigger. Hold the nut firmly during the drill-on procedure until this process finishes automatically. Now for setting the drilled-on blind rivet nut. Insert it straight into the appropriate drilled hole on the workpiece. Start the setting process by pressing the trigger and holding it down. The drill-off process will start automatically once the pre-adjusted traction force has been reached. Please do not release the trigger before the threaded mandrel has been completely removed. A damaged or worn-out threaded mandrel can be exchanged easily. First, disconnect the tool from the compressed air network. Release the lock nut with a flat wrench. Unscrew the nose piece together with the lock nut. Now push the slide backwards as far as it will go and hold it tight. You can now unscrew the threaded mandrel without using any tool. Insert the new mandrel of the same size. Once the mandrel has been inserted as far as it will go and the hexagonal head fits exactly into the slide, it automatically moves back to its initial position. If the slide does not automatically jump forward, carefully unscrew the threaded mandrel. Now reinsert the nose piece with the lock nut. Lock slightly with the appropriate wrench. Reconnect to the compressed air network. When changing the size of the threaded mandrel, the traction force has to be readjusted according to the color coding. Detailed instructions are given in the video, FireFox, How to Adjust Traction Force and Setting Stroke. To achieve an accurate setting process, the load-bearing thread length of the mandrel has to be adjusted according to the blind rivet nut length. For adjusting the mandrel length, first loosen the lock nut. Now adjust the thread length of the mandrel to the blind rivet nut length. This requires the threaded mandrel having been tightly screwed into all threads of the blind rivet nut. Now secure the adjusted threaded mandrel length with the lock nut. Before using your tool for the first time, please read the enclosed operating instructions carefully. The following special accessories are available for the FireFox series: a complete set of threaded mandrels and nose pieces, both with metric and UNC/UNF threads, conversion kits for blind rivet nut studs from M4 to M8. A tool mount, which allows you to integrate the tool into your automated processes or operation modules. Threaded mandrels are subject to wear and tear. When you need high numbers and want to save costs, you can take this conversion kit for use of standard hexagon socket screws instead of threaded mandrels. For the entire range of FireFox special accessories, please see our latest catalogue or our website www.gesipa.com. Gesipa wishes you years of fun at work, reliable, practical and in proven quality. Gesipa, the experts in blind riveting technology.